Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We usually go exploring, checking out different towns. Today we're going to go on an adventure. My buddy Flint is rolling, he's actually driving, I'm riding in the passenger seat, but we are on our way to the lake. Flint's been working on a project for close to a year, maybe?
About a year.
And he converted a regular pontoon boat that was in pretty bad shape. He converted it to a houseboat. All aluminum welded structure, RV windows, RV pylon siding, wood paneling interior. He even custom built a couch for it, a futon couch bed. So it's going to be interesting. We're going to go do the first test float today. Try to put it on the water and see how she rides. Y'all join us. Let's go check it out. All right, guys. Y'all ready? Here it is. The Marine Dream. Bam. Custom made houseboat. Fully aluminum frame. Got the Merc on back. It's a 2006 model pontoon boat. This is what the cabin's sitting on. Got the bimini up front. Got room for the barbecue, a few seats, however you want to handle it. View from the front. Let's see if we can get it in the water, see how she floats. This is it, guys. Looks like we're living the Marine Dream. Riding a little low in the back. I think we need a little more weight on the front of it. Let me try to get on this boat. Here we are. Living the Marine Dream. She is riding a little low in the back. A little high in the front. A little high in the front. It's like if you took that 10-foot boat and jammed it under the back there, that would probably be everything you needed. You know what I'm saying? Make that, because you don't need nothing in the front. Because the front's sitting way up, almost out of the water.
Man, I don't like that.
Well, I think it, yeah, I mean, you called it. I was hoping it wouldn't be, but you called it.
How bad is it? Bad, isn't it?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It's pretty bad. Pretty low.
Yeah.
Especially when you come back here, you know. I mean, you don't got no leaks on your tunes or nothing. Well, your, what was I saying? Your plugs and everything are in it. You do got plugs on it. Yeah. Yeah.
Floats.
It floats. It floats. So that was it, guys. That was the test float of the Marine Dream. We learned a few things. It is a little heavy in the back. It is going to need a third pontoon. But it did good. It ran good. It floated good. It loaded good on the trailer. It tows good. I think Flint's onto something. Get another little pontoon towards the back of that thing, and it's going to be in good shape. Appreciate y'all joining us on this venture.